If Firefox is suddenly using too much CPU, slowing down your PC, or making your fans spin like crazy, this video will walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. By the end, you'll know how to find the problem tab, disable unnecessary extensions, clear cache, and adjust hardware acceleration to bring Firefox back to normal. If this helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, we need to find out what is actually causing the high CPU usage. On your keyboard, press Shift and Escape at the same time. This opens Firefox Task Manager, where you can see exactly which tab, extension, or process is working too hard. Look through the list and check which item is using the most CPU. If you see one tab or extension unusually high, close that tab right away or end that process if needed. Sometimes just one page with too many ads, videos, or scripts can cause the entire browser to slow down. If the issue continues, the next step is to review your extensions. Click the menu button in the top right corner, the one with the 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, select Extensions and Themes. Then open the Extensions section and disable any extensions you do not really need. Browser add-ons can be helpful, but too many of them, or even one poorly made extension, can use a lot of CPU in the background. A good way to test this is to turn them off one by one and see whether Firefox becomes smoother. Now let's clear out temporary files and cache. Overloaded cache data can make Firefox work harder than it should, especially if the browser has stored a lot of old site files. To do this quickly, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. A clear browsing data window will appear. Set the time range to clear to everything. Then make sure you only check cache and uncheck the rest if you want to keep your history and other data. After that, click Clear. This removes old stored files that may be causing performance issues and gives Firefox a cleaner start. If Firefox is still running hot, the next thing to adjust is hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration allows Firefox to hand heavy graphic tasks from your CPU to your graphics card. In many cases, this improves performance, but sometimes it can create conflicts and actually make things worse. To change it, click the menu button again and go to Settings. In the search box, type Performance. Scroll to the Performance section. First, uncheck Use Recommended Performance Settings. Then uncheck Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Once that is turned off, restart Firefox so the change can take effect properly. After restarting, use Firefox normally for a few minutes and see whether the CPU usage is lower. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the issue immediately. If not, the next best step is to keep Firefox updated, reduce the number of open tabs, and check whether any specific website is causing the problem. But for most users, closing the heavy process, disabling extra extensions, clearing cache, and tweaking hardware acceleration will make a big difference. So that's how to fix Firefox high CPU usage in a simple and safe way. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.